Hello guys, welcome to another piano lesson with NJ Victor. Today we'll be talking about the pentatonic. Yes, I'll be explaining what the pentatonic scale is, and I'll be showing you one or two ways to practice it to get better at it. We'll be doing this lesson in the key of F. Yes, F sharp rather. Yes, I'll be showing you how to play your pentatonic scale. Okay, so without much talking, let's get into the lesson. So what is the pentatonic? The pentatonic scale is just a scale of 5 notes. This is the key of F sharp. Yes, so it's a scale that you can also use to play or improvise. Yeah, it's just a 5 note. The word penta should explain that it's a 5 note. So it's a 5 note scale. It's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Yes. Da, 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 da. You can see it. Yeah, most of the professionals they kind of find their way around this scale when playing. Yeah, and if you stick around to the end of the lesson, I think there's a kind of a leak that I will just add to the lesson. I hope I remember though. Okay, so this is the scale in the key of F. You can see the notes. You can see the notes on the screen. There's no need of me calling it out, and it's being displayed. So my 1, 2. The only thing you should be concerned is the fingering. So I'm using, we normally number our fingers. Thumb is 1. Index finger is 2. Middle finger is 3. Ring finger is 4, and then our pinky is 5. I think if I'm making a mistake, you can correct me at the comment section. Yeah, so I'm just playing 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So that's what I'm doing. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. For the 2 black, you can see piano is always 2 black, 3 black. For the 2, I'm using this just 1, 2. But for the 3, it's 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yep. Like I told you, the scale it goes with anything. It goes with any chord. My 6 chord, my 5 chord, my 4, my 3, my 2, and then my 1. Okay, so let me show you different patterns of practicing it. One of the first way is playing it in double. So we play this actually I actually learned this in guitar. I play the guitar too. So this one exercise we do when practicing the pentatonic. We play double notes. I hope you can see that. That's one way. Then another way another permutation, another different way you can play it is in 3 notes. So yeah, so I'm playing it in 3s. Yes, in groups of 3s. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Well, if you do it in C, it's usually smoother. Alright, so let's go back to the key of F. So we will first practice it in double. Then you do it in groups of 3. And then we do it again. Another one is in groups of 4. We do. That's another one too. So you can do, and after the groups of 4, so I'm counting, playing 4 notes in the pentatonic scale, and you can see it. Yeah. And then one way of practicing this, like to make it very effective, you have to use the metronome, and then you have to do it ascending and descending. So if I do it ascending, this will actually help in your improvisation. I'm just playing notes. So if you practice it well. Alright, so we did group of 1, then I did 1. I think it's skipping 1 note. So I'm trying to be fast and trying not. Why I'm trying to be fast is so the video won't be long. You get. I discover people don't even watch my videos that much anymore, so I'm trying to make it short, yeah, and interesting. So we did the skip a note, and then we can do it in group of 5 too. We've done the group of 3, group of 4. We can do it in group of 5. I've not been practicing, but that's that. So I believe, yes, if you can actually practice this effectively, you should be fluent with your, in the groups of 5. You will be, if you are practicing it, you'll get it. It will become something that it's in your hands. You don't have to think about it when playing it. So I really need to practice this too. Alright, so practice it in double notes, and in thirds, in fourth, in fifth, in groups of fourth, in groups of 5, and then I play, I think skip 1. Okay. Okay, so basically that's for the pentatonic. I promised to show you a lick. I think a lick I heard is, I'm just trying to think of, yeah, that's it. Or anything on the 6 or 1. So I'm just playing. I added 1 note. So the more advanced you get, you start. Actually, I heard itself, but from what I heard, they added 1 note. So they added the 7th, and it's nice. So it's, you can see the note on the screen. Only here it's a lick in itself. And then, so let me do it gently, slowly again. get your 4. The more you start playing it, you start forming it in a way that it will suit whatever you're playing. Yes, and I think that's the lesson. If you found it interesting or you have any question you want to ask, you can leave a comment. And yes, like I said, if you find it interesting, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, help the channel. It will actually cost you nothing, but it will encourage me. If you've noticed, I don't want to be doing videos like that anymore. I'm strictly on those people that are paying me. Yeah, so if you like what I'm doing, you can subscribe and encourage me, to give me the encouragement I need to be able to be keeping up with these lessons. I believe that's it. Thank you and stay blessed.